Today I'm going to be teaching you how to earn free Amazon gift cards. First, you want to make sure that you have Automate Your Bing searches installed. Once you have that installed, you can start completing your daily tasks after. After you have done that, you can now start your automatic searches. Once your PC searches have finished, you want to click search again, but right click and click inspect, then click toggle device bar. Now your mobile searches are being completed. Now we're gonna go to the redeem tab and redeem an Amazon gift card. This will take you about a month straight to get a £5 gift card. You can select between £5 and £80. If you'd like to learn more about Microsoft rewards, then I guarantee you'll love this video.